everybody in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And this my girl right here, Lisa Gilyard-Rivers. What's going on, Lisa?
Nothing much, just out here trying to, show off my art.
That's right.
Collect my artwork, yes ma'am.
And like my boy Quadre said, let's make it happen. So, Hunter Chiller, now this in the gallery, y'all. Okay? Tell them what the name of the gallery be.
It's Legacy Art Gallery located at 917C right here on Bay Street here in Beaufort, South Carolina.
And Hunter Chillin', that's what Hunter have to be, because we going to be celebrating
The
5 p.m. Meet We. That could be a first Friday from Bay Street right here in Beaufort, South Kakalaki. But guess what? That Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Now, what better way for Appreciate Week than take home something from the Legacy Art Gallery?
Right. And we'll be serving some light wine and some little bit of refreshments for your soul. So come on down and get some of that Gullah food.
Any though. And then feed that soul some more when you carry home some of this year.
Yes.
And every day you can look at a little bit of what we do around here. So we waiting on the children for see you.
The 6th.
Legacy Art Gallery, Beaufort, South Kakalaki, 5 p.m. Come on, WEBE, the living legacy.
Hey.